In this video, we are looking at resolving forces. So resolving a force into components, and we'll be looking at this big question has a ring, and we have horizontal and vertical forces. And these questions are very often exactly the same. So let's have a look at one now. So horizontally, we've got our 4.9 newtons, 7.5, and F. So 7.5 cosine 60 plus 4.5 cosine 20 is equal to our F component, F cosine theta. And we can solve then for F cosine theta. So we're using the notation of like or horizontal or vertical, we say, for the direction in which we're resolving these. That's the arrow pointing in a positive direction, we say. Same again for the vertical. I've just denoted those parts there, so sine components. And it shows the magnitude of that force, F sine theta. And of course, get your calculator out, and F is equal to the answer there. And so from there, you can look at it in terms of a right angle triangle. So as I said, a lot of these questions are exactly the same in this respect. So I'll just write in the opposite and the adjacent there if you want. So our next two parts will involve that trigonometry. And so the force is the hypotenuse. So I'm just putting them in there now. In whatever order, doesn't matter. For that particular part, so 9.39 newtons. And then of course we had opposite over adjacent for our theta. So tan, the inverse of tan, and just make sure you put them in the right order there. And of course we get an angle, and our angle is 31.8 degrees. And there we found the values of F and theta. Second part, we're given various different values for F and theta. So we'll just rearrange our horizontal, the horizontal one there, and we have also acceleration of 1.5, and we have to find the mass. So we know that we have to use Newton's second law, which is F is equal to ma. So again, 9.5 cosine 30 minus 7.5 cosine 60, and then also minus the 4.5 cosine 20 is equal to ma. And again, that's just it. Just get that calculator out, put it all together, divide by 1.5, and you get a mass of 0.166 kilograms. And that's one of those questions in resolving forces in two directions for Unit 2 or Unit 3 in mechanics.